Afternoon, everyone. My name is Mofokeng Lehlohonolo, Subject Advisor, Math Grade 8 and 9. Today, I'm just going to present exponents raising a power to a power. And then let's get started. We have to simplify the following, applying the law that states that when you raise a power to a power, you must multiply the exponents. So if we look at the first one, it says 2 to exponent of 3 is again raised to exponent 2. So by this law, it means that if you raise 2 to exponent of 3 again to exponent 2, you need to multiply exponent 3 by exponent 2. Therefore, the answer will be 2 to exponent of 6. And then go into number 2, whereby we are having 3 is multiplied by 2xy raised to exponent of 2. So in this case, when we multiply a product that is raised to exponent of 2 by a number, we must firstly raise the product before we can multiply by 3. So in other words, we have to keep 3 and then we raise 2xy to exponent 2. So each and every term, or rather, let me say, each and every factor that is inside the bracket must be raised to 2. 2 must be raised to exponent 2. X must also be raised to exponent 2. Y also must be raised to exponent 2. So in other words, if we raise 2 to exponent 1, again to exponent of 2, we must multiply the exponent 1 by exponent 2. That is why it will give us 2 to exponent of 2, which is 4. And then we do the same with x. The exponent for x is 1, and 1 is multiplied by 2 because x to exponent of 1 is again raised to exponent of 2. So therefore, we multiply the exponents. 1 multiplied by 2, it will be 2. We also multiply the exponent of y, which is 1, by 2. So we will have y to exponent of 1 raised to exponent 2. Therefore, it will be 1 multiplied by 2, which is y to exponent 2. And then we also have to multiply the product that was raised to exponent 2. It must be multiplied by 3. Is then that we can multiply by 3. And then 3 multiplied by 4, it will give us, by 4x squared y squared, it will give us 12x squared y squared. All right, let's go to the next one. Simplify the following also, number 3. Here we are having 2 quarters multiplied by a squared multiplied by b to exponent of 4, and all raised to 2. Therefore, everything must be raised to 2. I mean, 2 quarter must be raised to 2. A squared must be raised to 2. B to exponent of 4 must be raised to 2. If we raise 2 to exponent, if we raise 2 quarters to exponent 2, the answer will be 4 out of 16. And then if you raise a to exponent of 2, to exponent 2, you'll get a to exponent of 4 because we multiply exponent 2 in a by exponent 2 outside the bracket. Also, b to exponent of 4 must also be raised to 2. Therefore, we multiply exponent of b, which is 4, by exponent 2, which is outside the bracket. And then ultimately, we have the answer being 4 out of 16, a to exponent of 4, b to exponent of 8. You can also simplify 4 out of 16 further, which will give us 1/4 or 1 out of 4. Then going to number 4. Number 4, we are having 4ab squared is raised to 3, and then it is divided by 16a cubed b to exponent of 6. Firstly, we must actually raise the numerator to exponent 3. So everything inside the bracket must be raised to exponent 3. Exponent for 4 is 1. So if you raise 4 to exponent 3, the answer will be 4 to exponent of 1 multiplied by exponent of 3, which will give us 3. So we are having 4 to exponent of 3, which will give us 64. And then we also have to raise a to exponent of a to exponent of 1 must be raised to exponent of 3, and it will give us a to exponent of 3. B squared must be raised to exponent of 3. If you raise b squared to exponent of 3, exponent 2 must be multiplied by exponent 3, and it will give us b to exponent of 6. And then the whole numerator must be divided by 16a cubed b to exponent of 6. So if we divide 64 by 16, we'll get 3. If we divide a cubed b to exponent of 6 by a cubed b to exponent of 6, we will get 3. So this marks the end of our lesson, and then you will get your quiz. Thank you very much.